Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brilla. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a new series that I am starting for you, and this is something that's going to carry through to 2019. If you hear that craziness in the background, that is my kids watching movies and playing and just generally carrying on. And yes, I am wearing my Wonder Woman PJs because, well, I don't have to go anywhere today and I want to be comfortable. So I got the PJs on still, and they're really fun. All right, this is my search for my Holy Grail series, and this is going to continue for a while. It's going to kind of be starting now, but for 2019 and on. And this is really just as I replace things, I want to search for my Holy Grail products in certain categories. I want to find a Holy Grail mascara, primer for oily skin, powder for oily skin, foundation for oily skin, and I know not all oily skin is created equal, so what works for some person is not going to work for another person, and so on. Today is going to be about starting my search and my journey to get to my search for my hair care products. I have obscenely thick, coarse, wavy hair. This is like day 4 hair, so it's a little crazy right now, but yeah, I don't treat my hair as well as I should. I never have, and I guess because I have so much of it, I'm like, it's just hair, whatever. But I'm tired of my hair always looking frizzy and lifeless, and yeah, I need to start finding what works for my hair. I have seen tons of videos on the Curly Girl method, and I've seen this is why you should do it. I've seen videos why I quit the Curly Girl method, why I no longer do the Curly Girl method, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. And just watching the videos, having never done the Curly Girl method, I see both sides of the argument with that one. I think that the products that they use for the Curly Girl method are great. I think they're probably what I really need for my hair. No sulfates, no silicones or harsh detergents or anything like that to weigh your hair down or dry it out. No alcohols. I mean, I know there are certain approved things in the Curly Girl method, and I think my goal is to get out all of the products that are in my collection, like use them, not trash them, but use them, get them done, and as a category is empty, then replace it with something that is Curly Girl approved, in hopes that I can eventually get my hair to the health that I want it to. Now, I know some people might think that's a little counterproductive, still using things that are not approved, but I spend a lot of money on these products and I want to get my money's worth out of them. My hair grows incredibly fast, and I'm not really that worried about that, if that makes any sense. I just want to use what I have, get it gone, and then replace it with the appropriate products. So that is what this journey is about in the beginning, and then as I get to the point where I'm replacing, I will be discussing what I'm buying and how it's working for me and so on. All right, I am going to show you probably 3/4 of the stuff that I have to get rid of that is not Curly Girl approved. I do have a few things by Shea Moisture that are approved. I'm not going to show those to you because they're at this point not part of the journey. There are some newer products, and I haven't even started using them yet. This is the other stuff that I want to get out. This is part of my goals for 2019, or at least to start getting into these products very well. If you haven't seen my goals video, I think it went up yesterday. I'm going to put it up here in the cards if you want to check it out. I'm just going to like pull them out. I've got like a big bin here that's too heavy for me to actually lift, and I'm just going to start showing it to you. None of this stuff is Curly Girl approved. Some is questionable. I checked everything on curlsbot.com. If I remember, I will link that down in my description box, but it is just curlsbot.com. And yeah, let me show you what I got. I've got some Pantene hairspray, Some more Pantene Ice Shine Hairspray. Pantene Gel. I think this was on the questionable list, as was the hairspray from Pantene. I have got some that were definitely not approved. They're the Equate hairsprays. And I'm not even a hairspray person, which is, you know, why do I even have this much hairspray? I have a Suave hairspray. More hairspray. The Kids Detangler, I got this at Dollar Tree. It does have some silicones in it, so yeah, once that's gone, I'm not going to be able to get my Barbie one. Like, I'm working on that one now. No more Barbie after that one's gone. I'm kind of sad about that. I have this Kenra Platinum Color Charge Spray Serum. That has silicones in it. These were questionable. The Color Charge shampoos from Kenra. There were some things where it says it's not technically by Curly Girl standards approved, according to Lorraine Massey, who kind of coined the whole Curly Girl method. But if you go in the Curly Girl community members seem to think that that one's fine, but you know, better to get it out if it's questionable. The Hask Hawaiian Sea Salt Texture Spray. This one's going to hurt me. This is the Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle. I love Aussie products, but they have silicones in them, so I can't have them anymore. Rave Hairspray. Why do I have so much hairspray? Really? This one was questionable. This is the L'Oreal's Fragrance-Free Conditioner. It did have a silicone in it that was questionable. These are definitely not approved. Hold on, I think I have two of these. These are the Kenra Platinum Color Charge Conditioners. I have two of those. They were actually sent to me through Kenra or from Kenra. I have a few more products that are not approved by Kenra. It's their Dry Texture Spray and their Blow Dry Spray. I'm really kind of sad that those aren't approved because I do really like them. More Hask, the Hawaiian Sea Salt Conditioner and Shampoo. Those have alcohols in them, and they also have sulfates and silicones. Words. This was an Herbal Essence conditioner. It's just what I had left, and I put it in here instead of keeping the big bottle. But I know that's not approved. More Suave Hairspray. The Tresemme, and this is what upsets me. This is a curl mousse. This is the Flawless Curls by Tresemme. It's not approved. So, you know, shouldn't have the word curl on it. It upsets me. This is the L'Oreal Architect Texture Line. It's like a pomade styling paste. That's not approved. That's got silicones. More Aussie. I have so much stuff. I have this conditioner by Garnier Fructis. This is the Sleek and Shine conditioner. That's the conditioner. I think I've already used up the shampoo. That has silicones. The Dove has silicones. This is the conditioner. Do you see the size of these things? And is it any wonder that it's going to take me all year or longer? This is the Tresemme Botanique Damage Recovery. I don't know how you actually say that in French. I don't know. But that has silicones in it. Of course it does. Everything has silicones in it. The Suave Mousse. I'm actually using another one of these right now. I have two. I have tons of stuff. I'm like looking at all the stuff over here. I have stuff that I pulled aside for projects for 2019 that I'm not going to be showing you because, well, I'm not going to pull everything back out. Pantene, the Expert line, Intense Hydration, has silicones in it. Obviously, the glossing polish. This is like from Sally Beauty Supply. That has silicones in it. This is just some hairspray that I used to travel. I think it was Pantene. And another Garnier Fructis. Which one is this? The Triple Nutrition Shampoo. And I still have stuff in my shower. Like I said, I have stuff set aside for projects for 2019. I have so much stuff. I have stuff here like with all my project painting stuff for 2018. Some of it's rolling over that I'm not finished yet. And none of that is approved. None of it is approved. The only thing that I have in my collection that is approved is by Shea Moisture. And I'm not going to be working on those as far as this project is concerned. You will see a couple of them in projects for next year because I do want to work on, like I got a treatment mask and I want to be able to work on that because I don't have any other treatment masks. So that's good. I will be working on that soon. But all this other stuff, it's got to go. I've got to use it up. It's a ton of stuff, like a ton of stuff. And like I said, what I showed you is only maybe 3/4 of what I own. It's got to go. I'm curious to see if anyone else is on this journey. I had been thinking about doing this for months, and then I saw Kelly Michelle. She is starting her curly girl journey. I think she wants to actually follow the curly girl method. That's not for me, but you know, I applaud her for wanting to do that. She is also trying to get all of her stash out that is not curly girl approved, and you know, and then she wants to proceed with the curly girl method. I'm not going to be doing the curly girl method. I saw some people make some comments, and I just haven't had a chance to respond yet about doing a curly girl method video. And I'm not going to do that simply for the fact that I'm not going to be following the method. And I think it would be kind of hypocritical for me to make a video about it when I'm not actually doing it. I just want to work, I want to use products that are curly girl approved because they are more appropriate for my hair type. I hope this makes sense to other people. It makes sense to me when I, you know, when I say it in my head, but I don't know if it makes sense to other people. But this is the beginning of my journey, my search for my Holy Grail hair products, and I probably will not update regularly because some of these products are just going to take a long time, but I have other things that I'm going to be searching for my Holy Grail. So like every, I don't know if it's quarterly or how I'm going to do it, for every 4 or 5 months. I guess it depends on my progress and where it falls, but I will definitely update you on this stuff as well as the other things that I'm working on to find my Holy Grail. So hopefully this interests you. It interests me because you know, I have a lot of hair. I have people comment and ask about my hair all the time. And yeah, it's like a blessing and a curse. And I'm hoping I can get to the point where it's a blessing. That would be really nice. Anyway, I am going to wrap this up. This video has already been going way too long. If you are interested in this, please let me know how long you want me to go between follow-ups or updates or whatever, what other products that you would like to see me search for my Holy Grail besides the hair and the oily skin products, and of course mascara. If you have any suggestions for products for any of those categories, please let me know because I will be actively searching as I'm replacing products, and you know, I would love to learn from your experiences. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.